Hey everybody, it's Good Time Gal. Today is September 24th, which is National Cherries Jubilee Day. That's right, y'all. It's a Jubilee. What is a Jubilee? I don't know, but it just sounds fun. If you notice a lot of American recipes, you can tell if they're Southern or Northern by the names. Southern dishes love to have Jubilee or Escad. Like, it's just a graceful way that they say it. So, this is going to be a super cool bake. Now, some of us are thinking, what is Cherries Jubilee? And I'm going to let you know. Cherries Jubilee was invented in the 19th century as homage to that wonderful Queen Victoria. That's right. That lady is still giving us gifts that keep giving, right? So Cherries Jubilee is a fancy dessert that you use a liqueur, you flambe the cherries, and you pour it over this lovely vanilla ice cream. And today we're going to be making our own Cherries Jubilee without the alcohol, because I want this to be a family-friendly recipe and I don't want you to get in any trouble. But yes, that is what a Cherries Jubilee is. So let's get following along on my blog. You're gonna need 3 cups of frozen or fresh cherries that are pitted. I did frozen sweet dark cherries. You're gonna need 1/2 cup or 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm doing 3 tablespoons of sugar because I'm using sweet dark cherries. You're gonna wanna use some orange zest to boost up the flavor. And instead of liquor, because we still want that same sweetness without the alcohol, we're gonna be using orange juice. You can use 1/4 cup of orange juice, or you can use water. It's your choice. And then a teaspoon of vanilla. And then, of course, the vanilla ice cream of your choice. And that's it. You're going to put the sugar. So now the sugar and the sauce, I'm going to stir until they dissolve. Almost. See that? It's a water now. So now we're going to add our cherries. And what this is gonna do, it's gonna open this up. We're gonna do 5 to 7 minutes. And this is gonna open these cherries up so that you get all that flavor. That is our timer. So now they have opened up the flavor. We're gonna add the vanilla. We're also gonna add these cherries. I'm sorry, the orange zest. I'm just gonna stir, stir, stir. And now we're gonna let this cool just a little bit. And then we're gonna add it to our ice cream. This is the time we're waiting for. So this is my ice cream. I'm doing a perfect little square because I just love it. And let's wait. I know some of you are going to say, well, I just want to go for the cherries, but I want you to go for the sauce as well, because the sauce is delicious. Perfect. From my kitchen to yours, happy National Cherry Jubilee Day.